Are you looking for a challenging balancing posture that also challenges your arm mobility, your leg strength, and leg flexibility? Well, this is the pose, Bird of Paradise. I love this pose. It's quite quirky and challenging at the same time. So remember, it's not about the final pose. It's in the trying that counts. You could be using a strap for this, or it could also be handy to have a block. So we're going to start in a Malasana yogic squat, which prepares us for the bind and the shape. So just take a few moments to ease in. Come to your breath. And then wrap one hand around. So say the left hand is going to wrap around. And it could be that you stay there. It could be that you peel the right arm up, look to the upper hand. Or it could be that you take that right hand round behind your back to clasp. So you're clasping fingers behind and you're enjoying a lovely pose here to open up space between the shoulder blades and the chest and the hips. Breathing deeply. And then release. Changing sides, wrapping the right arm around. Just going to turn, internally rotate the shoulder, bend the elbow, reach. And this is where the strap can come in handy. You could use the strap to bridge the gap between, to bridge the gap. Looking around, breathing. Wonderful. So that in itself is a great pose. Now we're going to move to the mat to challenge from here into Bird of Paradise. So I like to even take it from Parsvottanasana, side lunge. And again, the hand could be down on the mat or on the elbow or the bind. And again, you could use the strap, reach the right hand under, clasp, look up. Swivel around, other side. And these are nice preparatory shapes for the actual posture itself. And again, it's in the practice. It's not in the final pose. It's in the practice. Okay, from here, we're going to keep the feet wide. Come down into the knee bend. Wrap your right hand, take it between the legs, and then find that bind. Left hand reaches to the clasp. Transfer the weight to the left foot, and then peel the right foot off. Stand up tall. It could be then that you extend the leg. Focus your gaze. And slowly lower. Changing sides. Left hand reaches in between. Find the bind, and again you could find the strap. Transfer the weight to the right foot. Focus your gaze. Rise up. Extend. Bird of Paradise, that beautiful tropical flower. So well done for having a bit of fun with that shape. Check out my channel for more movement videos, yoga, strength training for women, and other tips and tricks for living a healthy life. Thank you.